Because there are people now, they do kufr, unbelief regarding the favors of Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will favor them for 70 years with something. They lose one thing, they complain to Allah and they commit unbelief, kufr, which is to deny the favors of Allah. If someone dies in their family, they say things which are deemed as kufr in their statements. Or if they lose a favor of Allah, they have no sabr, no patience. They lose their mind in terms of remembering all the favors of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, from the air that we breathe, the oxygen that circulates in our veins, that which keeps us alive, the fact that we are sitting with comfort in the masjid. There are people who have discomfort that they cannot even attend the masjid. They cannot even go to the Bradford City Hospital and observe the patients who are in constant pain. Just having that favor of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that our immune system is protected. All of these are known as the Rasa'ilul Hubb that we receive on a daily basis. Aside from the love letter, which is known as Al-Quranul Kareem, which is Rasa'ilul Hubb from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that if you received a letter from the king, you would place that in a frame and you would show everyone who enters your home, and you would read it constantly without getting burdensome or bored. Then this love letters, these love letters in the form of Al-Quranul Kareem are al-matluwa, that which we recite. But then there are those signs that we do not recite. There are those things that we receive on a daily basis, like our immune system. This is renewed every day. These are also letters of love.